I guess, look, where the market has largely been to date is wanting to run display advertising in a similar way that they have done on desktop. But as desktops advertising matured, inevitably innovation crept in. You started to see a lot of more engaging rich media ad units, which is a big focus for Mobile Embrace. So HTML5, for example, brings some fantastic functionality where you can click on a banner or find your nearest store or click to call. You can click to video, which is fantastic and a great sort of extension from a content perspective as well. Going beyond the banner, newspapers inevitably own the content and create the content. So with that comes opportunities to integrate advertiser messaging, either from an advertorial or a sort of sponsored perspective. So what I think is an immediate opportunity for newspaper publishers is to sort of start selling cross-platform solutions where advertisers have the opportunity to get involved with print, with desktop and mobile. I guess the key is really not to view mobile in isolation. Don't treat it as an afterthought. Consider it up front and look at the role it can play to complement the existing offering that they have in market. I guess it's begun to move what was historically a very passive reading experience into something that's much more immersive, interactive and participative. Simple things like QR codes. It's so easy, and a lot of the time people rush into something more complex. But do the simple things first. It's a really big message. So, you can and perhaps should have in every single newspaper the ability to text in to get a link that then takes you to that mobile optimized site. So you effectively keep people in store for longer. Text more, text info, text win, text play, text view video to a certain number, or scan a QR code to go through. It's a great way of extending that engagement, which in turn can be monetized. Everybody's always got that phone in their pocket. I mean, personally, and it's maybe a sad indictment of my life, but it's certainly the first thing I sort of check in the morning and the last thing I check at night. So everybody's got it on them. What I think newspapers and major publishers have got to realise is how deeply personal that device is. Think about it in terms of how can mobile be used to deliver a higher level of engagement, to convey additional editorial or additional advertiser information beyond the sort of static page. How can it be used to deliver additional video content, which in turn means that newspapers aren't just supplying printed content, they're supplying video. There's a lot of demand for video in market, so again that can be monetized. So look, for me it's a way of delivering either higher engagement, response, additional information in an instant using a device that everybody owns and knows how to use. Keep it simple, keep it mobile optimized.